Welcome to the video tutorial on how to download and install Tourney 2006 and Tourney Pro 2006. Today we're going to walk through the process for Tourney 2006, but if you were downloading Tourney Pro you would follow pretty much the same steps, except that you would just choose the Tourney Pro download option instead of Tourney. So to start the process, we're going to go ahead and bring up the turbotourney.com website, and then we'll select the product download option from the menu. And now here we have our choice of either Tourney 2006 or Tourney Pro 2006, depending on which product you want to download. Today we're going to walk through the Tourney download process. So now we're on the download page, and there's some information here about the trial version of Tourney 2006, and there's also a link to view the system requirements for the program. So you'll want to make sure that your computer meets these requirements before installing the software. And then you can provide a name and email address if you'd like, and you choose which download site you want to download from. Right now there's just the one sideline.com server. And if you're an America Online person, or if you're having some trouble downloading the entire single download file, there is an alternative download area where you can download these smaller individual files kind of one by one, which will maybe help in your download process. So if you find you're having trouble getting the entire download to complete successfully, you may want to come here and try the smaller individual files. And so when I'm ready to start the download, I just click on the Download Now button, and then I'll be prompted by the browser of where I want to save this file to my computer, or if I want to open it. If you save it, you'll just have to choose a location to save the file, and then go back and execute that program where you saved it to start the install. Or what I have found is just the easiest option is to go ahead and select the Open button, which will download the program and start the installation file automatically for you. So we'll just select the Open button here. So the download starts, and as soon as this download is finished downloading the program from the website to the computer, it will go ahead and automatically start the Tourney installation program. So the download now is complete, and the Tourney 2006 installation program starts up automatically. Then to go through the installation, it's pretty much just selecting the next option and going through each screen. You want to look over the license agreement and make sure you agree to all those terms before continuing, and you select the I agree button. And now you can choose where you want to install Tourney. By default, it's going to put it in the Program Files Tourney 2006 folder, which is probably okay to go ahead and install it in the default location. If you have a previous version of Tourney installed, just make sure you don't install this over top of that and mix the different versions. Each version needs to be in its own folder. So we're going to go ahead and take the default there and select Next. And now we're going to be asked if we want to create backups of the files that the installation is going to replace. And in general, it's a good idea to go ahead and do that in case you need to uninstall the software. It'll put the replaced files back for you. So we'll select Next, and now we're ready to begin the installation. Just select Next again. So now all the files are being installed on my computer, and it's now asking me if I want to go ahead and place a shortcut to the Tourney program on my desktop, and yes, I would like that. Now it's going through some final system configuration and updating the files. And now the Tourney installation is complete. And we'll just select Finish to exit out of that. And we'll close our browser.